Hey guys, another tech tip here with Adam. This is a real quick one. I get asked all the time, what's that thing? What's that thing on your torch? That thing. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing rocket science. It's actually a rubber funnel. I get them off Amazon. They're like $5 for a 4-pack. It's just, you just take a rubber funnel and you cut like the little guy off here for the funnel, and then slip it on your torch. And I like these bigger ones, the medium-sized ones. They're not so close to the flame all the time, and they really work well. It keeps a lot of the dust off. I'm really anal about the plasma table and my machines and keeping them clean. So this really helps keep that initial pierced dust and spray off everything. And it just kind of keeps it concentrated down there. It might hurt the consumable life a little bit. I don't know. A ton of people use them. I see them at trade shows getting run on people's plasma tables and all that. So it's nice. It blocks the light from your eyes. You can kind of walk around the shop and not get blinded if I'm not wearing the right safety goggles and such for staring at a plasma flame. So I'm tall, I'm way up here. The flame's way down here, it's nice. Water tables, I have noticed on my old water table, it would affect the torch height, it would affect the voltage. So you gotta watch that if you're running a water table. If you're running downdraft, they're incredible. I've never had any issues with it. So yeah, that's that thing. It's a funnel. Amazon or off the internet somewhere, just look up collapsible funnel. So, yep, that's that thing. Tech tip with Adam. Have a good night.